Turn power switch to off. Before inserting or removing the needle, raise the needle to its highest position. Remove the press foot. Place the fabric under the presser foot to prevent the needle from falling out. Release the needle set screw and remove the needle. Take out the needle. The flat side of the shaft should be towards the back. Insert the needle to its highest point. Tighten the needle set screw. When lint and/or dirt have built up, it may cause machine failures. Therefore, clean the machine frequently. Turn power switch to off. Remove the presser foot and bobbin cover plate. Take out the bobbin case holder. Remove the needle plate by using L-shaped screwdriver. Clean the dust and lint clogging. After cleaning, restore the disassembled parts.